It's not just flood control, the issue of flood control, nor insertions in the 2025 budget that he has to answer to. Ako Bicol Party List Representative Zaldi Co is also being accused of forcing the Department of Agriculture to issue fish import permits. That was recently revealed by Agriculture Secretary Francisco Chu Laurel Jr. during a House budget hearing. According to Chu Laurel, Co pressured the DA to issue import permits to his 3 companies engaged in the fishing business. The permits supposedly were for 3,000 containers, but the Agriculture Secretary refused because the DA was by then already following a formula that's fair for all. And we now discuss this with Agriculture Secretary Francisco Chu Laurel Jr. Good evening to you, Secretary. Welcome to The Big Story.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Seth and Ed. Happy to be here.
All right, let's try to backtrack to the exact time that you felt that there was something fishy, sorry for the pun, about the request of... I'm not blaming the scriptwriter for that. Request of Congressman Zaldi Co.
Nangyari yun about September 2024. I have a text from him, actually, that is still with me now, na noong October 24, pinangalan niya yung 3 kumpanya na gusto niyang bigyan dapat namin ng 3,000 containers ng frozen imported fish.
Tapos paulit-ulit po ba? How did you handle that?
Well, I told him na mahirap ito dahil the amount is so huge. Number one, it's more than the allocation for everybody, no, the industry itself. So, sabi ko, parang mahihirapan ako dito. He tried to justify it to me na hindi, dapat mas marami para mas magmura ang isda at, just trying to justify whatever possible to convince me. And then, I really tried to avoid him sometimes calling and texting. And at the end of the day, sabi ko, I cannot grant this to you dahil babalik ako sa aking industriya. Ano mukhang pakikita ko doon? Tsaka, I have my constituents to think about. Kung paano yan pag bumagsak masyado presyo ng isda? Kawawa naman yung ating mga isda.